wrote on August 31st, my life has changed for extremely the better. My bathroom issues are getting corrected by technology and amazing surgeon, amazing technology, cutting edge procedure. I couldn't write enough about it. I was so excited. Before I got diagnosed, I had incontinence. I wore adult diapers between 5 and 6 times a day, and that would be a good day. I felt like I lost where I didn't have a feeling to go to the washroom. It was gone. You hide in your home, you don't go anywhere, you're hiding it from people. You're doing that because you don't want them to deal with it and you don't want to deal with it. Things were getting really, really bad for me. I've lost a lot of friends, and I said, do I live like this? You have a problem, Debbie, and so you need to look after it.
So I met this doctor.
He said, I think I can help you. When someone's telling you they're gonna put a battery in you, you're like, really? Because I didn't know, that's like cutting edge. And when you do surgeries, you don't hear the good things. We left here at 6 a.m. and the surgery was at 8 and we were home by 2:30. I woke up the happiest person. And I walked to the bathroom by myself because I couldn't wait to see what's gonna be back there. It's a little cut like that, that's it. And my life totally changed that day. I'm retired now. Me and my husband take off on a moment's notice. It's just cool technology that is giving you that back.